Welcome, little learners, to the fun-filled world of English alphabet adventures. A like an apple. A like an apple. B like a bird. B like a bird. C like a cat. C like a cat. D like a dolphin. D like a dolphin. E like earth. E like earth. F like a frog. F like a frog. G like a giraffe. G like a giraffe. H like heart. H like heart. I like an ice cream. I like an ice cream. J like juice. J like juice. K like key. K like key. L like Lego. L like Lego. M like mouse. M like mouse. N like a notebook. N like a notebook. O like owl. O like owl. P like a pig. P like a pig. Q like a queen. Q like a queen. R like a ring. R like a ring. S like sun. S like sun. T like tree. T like tree. U like an umbrella. U like an umbrella. V like violin. V like violin. W like watermelon. W like watermelon. X like a xylophone. X like a xylophone. Y like a yacht. Y like a yacht. Z like zebra. Z like zebra. Thanks, my awesome friends, for watching our video. I hope you had fun today. See you next time.